Hey guys, we're back with another set of cool gadget from Amazon. So keep watching and let's get it on! The Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Clock is a game changer in time management. It offers the convenience of 6 preset countdown times ranging from 3 to 30 minutes, and setting a custom countdown is a breeze. You can also switch to count up mode by flipping the timer, providing flexibility for various timing needs. This versatile timer is perfect for the office, work, meetings, studying, workouts, and more. It's your go-to solution for enhancing productivity in any situation. The functionality doesn't stop there. Pause the countdown with a simple flip and customize the sound to your liking. The mute option and adjustable sound alert add extra convenience. In terms of design, the Ticktime Pomodoro Timer is small, magnetic, and rechargeable. Its compact size and weight of only 2.2 ounces make it highly portable, fitting into pockets or bags effortlessly. The magnetic base allows you to attach it to the fridge or any steel surface, freeing up your hands. The rechargeable feature, powered by a durable lithium battery and USB-C charging port, eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements. However, it's crucial to note some guidelines. The timer shouldn't be used while charging, and it's not waterproof. During the initial use, charge it for 12 hours, and for subsequent uses, a 4-hour charge is sufficient. Once charged, unplug and press any button to activate the timer. The Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Clock is a comprehensive solution for efficient time management, combining functionality, portability, and convenience.